Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M21s, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data, and I can recommend you to use application named CLONEit. So you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. You have to get this application on the both smartphones. If you got it, just open. Right now we have to accept all of the permission. Click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On your Samsung, tap receiver. Here we have to also turn on location. But as you can see, when we tap on this arrow to go back, we are not in our application, but instead of that we are in the settings, so we have to open the background apps and just select the CLONEit application. And here we are back with our transfer app. Click receiver, tap search again. Right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon, and currently we got two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually, so you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. So grab your phone, put it in the frame right here, accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap on the start. But in my case it's only example, so I'm going below for the details, and I will send maybe this 2 songs from Post Malone. And then we will unselect other files, click start, OK. It's importing and it's finished. So right now we can check where it is, and it will be probably in the file manager in the audio. Let's go here, and as you can see in downloads we got our 2 songs that we sent from our Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!